Learning to Nishmas Ahuva by Bava Kama Perek Gimel Mishna Yud Aleph. So this Mishnah discusses the halacha of Mammon Hamutal B'Safik. Sumchas Shita is not discussed in the Mishnah, who holds whenever there is a suffix about Mammon, we are chaylik. The two parties split the money. Our Mishnah is going like the Chachamim that hold Hamoitzi Mechaver El Varaya, that you need a proof in order to be Moitzi Mammon, and if not, the money stays by the Muchzik. And the Mishnah lists 4 scenarios where you say Hamoitzi Mechaver El Varaya. The first scenario is Shar Sheyeroidav Achar Shar Achar V'Hozik. A shar was chasing another shar, and the second shar got damaged. And the shaila is, did it get damaged from the shar hamazik or it tripped? Zoymer shar chahizik. The nizik says it got damaged from your shar. Zoymer, the mazik says it wasn't my shar. Loikil b'selaka. Your shar just tripped on its own on a rock. So the nizik can't be mitzi any mammon unless he has a proof. That's the first case. Second case is this is 2 shards. The shaila is which shar was the shar hamazik. Zoymer shar chahizik, zoymer shar chahizik. Shneim Pturim, they're both pater because we don't know which shar hamazik is. So again, you say Hamoitzi Mechaverei Olav Haraya. But in Hayishneim Shel Shachar, if they're both from the same person, so then Manav Shach is Chayiv. Shneim Chayav. The Gemara explains that this will be telling the Machlekes Rabbi Akiva and Rabbi Shmuel whether by a shar hatam shehizik, where you collect migufay, do we say that the shar hamazik, the owner of the mazik and the nizik becomes shutfin in the shar hamazik? Or is it like a chayiv that the mazik owes the nizik? And the mission over here is going like a Rabbi Akiva, that they become shutfin in it. When it says shneim chayavim, it means to say that kol zman, that they're both in front of us, then you would be able to collect from one of them. But if one of them is not in front of us, then you wouldn't collect at all, because we don't know which it is. But according to Rabbi Shmuel, that holds that it's a bal chayiv, so then he owes the money manav shach. So even though one of them gets lost, he still owes chatzi nezek. The Mishnah continues. Hayechad gadol ve'echad katan. This is the third case of Moisei Mechavel Varaya. So one of the shars is big and one of them is small. The nizik claims that it was the big one that was mazik. Or similarly, echad tam ve'echad muad. The nizik says that it was the shar ha muad that damaged, and therefore I collect nezik shalom. The mazik says loikel tam nizik. It was the shar tam that damaged you, and therefore I only owe you chatzi nezik. So we say Hamoitzi Mechaver El Varaya. And the fourth case of this mission that says Hamoitzi Mechaver Varaya is Hayuzin Nizakin Shnayim. There were 2 shar haniziks, Echad Gadol ve'Echad Katan, Mazikin Shnayim, and there were also 2 shar hamaziks, Echad Gadol ve'Echad Katan. The nizik says that the gadol was izik is hagadol, v'akatan is hakatan, to maximize the amount that he collects, and the mazik says loikiel the katan is hagadol, v'gadol is hakatan. It was the katan that damaged the gadol, and therefore you're limited to chatzi nezik of the shar hakatan. Or similarly, there was echad tam ve'echad muad. There were the two shar hamaziks. One was a tam and one was a muad. The nizik goymer muad hizik is hagadol, the tam is hakatan. But mazik goymer loikel the tam is hagadol, muad hakatan. So again, the shar hamazik is saying you're limited because it was the shar hatam that damaged the gadol. So again, we say hamoitzi mechavel v'raya. The nizik cannot collect unless he has a raya. Perek Daled Mishnah Aleph. Shar shenagach arba v'chamisha shvarim zeh zeh. A shar tam damaged a bunch of shars one after the other, and Rashi explains you have to say that it was a case that he didn't become a muad after 3 times because it wasn't in a pattern that it happened. So even a muad l'sirugin he didn't become. The halacha is yishalim ma'achron shebehem. The last one is the one that collects. If there's extra money after that collection, yachzor l'shalafanav, then the one prior to that collects. So it's always the last one that collects. And the Gemara explains this, that the ukimta is that we're talking about that the shar hamazik damaged the first person and that shar, and that person is typhus, the shar hamazik. And now the shar hamazik goes ahead and damages a third person. So the nizik became like a shomer sachar on the shar hamazik, and therefore he's responsible when it damages the third shar. And the same thing, the third shar, the owner of the third shar was Taifis again, the shar hamazik. So now he becomes a Shem Resach on it, and when it damages the fourth shar, he's responsible also. So therefore, it's the last person that collects first. That's the Shita Rameir. And the Gemara explains Rameir is going in Rabbi Shmuel's Shita that holds that they don't become Shutfin. However, Reb Shimon Oimer, Reb Shimon holds, we'll see in a second, like Rabbi Akiva, that when a shar tam pays megufoy, the shar nizik and the owner of the nizik and the mazik become shutfin in the shar hamazik, and therefore shar shavim masayim shenogach shar shavim masayim ve'in hanaveli yafa klum. If a shar worth 200 damages a shar which is worth 200 and now it's worth nothing, so each one gets 100. Zenoit amana zenoit amana, and now it damages again chazav nogach shar achar shavim masayim. So now ha'achron noitel mana v'shelafanav zen noitel chamishim zuz v'zen noitel chamish zuz. The third one gets the 100, and the first and the second become shutfin on the other 100, and each one gets 50. And if it was chazav v'nagach shar achar, if it would have damaged a fourth shar, so then shavim asayim. So then ha'achron noitel mana, number 4 gets 100. Shelafanav chamishim zuz gets 50. And the remaining 50 is split between number 1 and 2, Shnaim Rishonim Dinar Zav. Because again, this is going like a Akiva that each nizik became a shutaf in the shar hamazik, and therefore they became halfway responsible into the damage of the next shar.